time for an August garden tour. I've not been doing good this year on videoing the garden. This is a tripod-like thing, which has 4 sides. I don't know exactly what that makes it. But to try to shade the laces that'll try to shade lettuce, which isn't growing real well, but these pole beans we tried this year, wax pole beans are doing pretty good. Some cantaloupes came up by themselves. We've gotten one. We're trying to protect the rest from the pests, and we have some cucumbers going there, some paste tomatoes and cherry tomatoes, some peppers. We tried these mini bell peppers this year and they seem to be doing well, and then some random Italian peppers. Ground cherries didn't really amount to much, and then some tomato plants, and of course our chives and oregano. As you can see, the pollinators really love the oregano. Here's the garden between the driveways. The marigolds are attempting to dissuade deer and whatnot. This was the winter lettuce garden. It is the kale and Swiss chard and beets are still growing so much, normally covered with lace, to try to keep the temperature down. Got some carrots and onions out of there. Tomatoes are doing pretty good, as you can see, which is an encouragement since last year the tomatoes did not do so good. This cucumber vine got a bit eaten by deer, but is coming back now. So you can see our peppers are doing really well this year, getting an amazing amount of peppers and some more tomato plants. I attempted to make like wooden triangle tomato cages, and you can see they've kind of turned into one giant pile, but we're getting a good amount of tomatoes. These are Jasper cherry tomatoes. Tried them for the first time this year. They're going crazy. You can see covering everything. We have some basil because we got it free with the Lowe's gardening thing this spring. Cantaloupes again, trying to keep the pests off them. We've already had one eaten. The peppers are doing really well over here, and pretty sure these are the ones I saved seeds for, and they're doing really well. And not much to show you down in here. Just it's been kind of dry this year, so, and been busy inside, so I haven't got quite as much, but still getting some down here in the old fenced-in garden we had last year. So a little bit simpler this year, but still getting lots of harvest.